Alright guys, we have our vinyls out now. We gotta get them cleaned up. We have our bucket here full of our solution. We have our wet towel. We have a drop cloth here for spills. What I like to do is wash the backside first. Nice and wet. Clean it up good. Get the corners. Take your first dry towel and do a quick dry. Get your corners, get your edges. Okay, second towel is for a second dry. Corners, edges, middle, edges, middle. Third towel, we're gonna buff it clean now. Make sure we didn't miss anything. We want these panels to look as close as possible. It's new. Okay, backside is done. I'm gonna flip it around. Let me get my wet towel back. Okay, I'm gonna turn it around for you guys here. I'm gonna clean my top. I'm gonna clean my frame here around the buttons. Do the same thing on the bottom piece. Do my bottom. My bottom frame. And do my side frame. See if I can turn for you guys here. Okay. Now I'm going to wash the vinyl. This is where it gets important here, guys. You have a bar in the middle. You have to get your corners. I start with my corners. I have my finger in there. I'm getting my corners first. Edges and corners first. And then I'm going to work my way to the middle now. Edges and corners are washed. Now I'm going to get my middle part. I'm going to repeat that first process of drying, buffing. Do my edges first. With the middle. Second towel, same thing. Corners, edges, and the middle. You want the towel to be kind of as flat as possible on the vinyl versus being bunched up like, you don't want it bunched up, you want it flat. Now I gotta buff it out. Towel's flat, and I'm buffing. Okay, vinyl's clean.